Good morning, everyone. I'm Michelle Mosher, your Florida insurance chick with South Shore Insurance Professionals. It's time for our Monday Morning Minute, and this week we're briefly going to discuss why insurance companies ask you about pets. The reason for this is to be sure that as your agent, we're making sure that we're offering you all of the coverage and protection that you might need. For example, your homeowner's or renter's insurance policy includes premises liability, but frequently there's an exclusion for bodily injury or property damage caused by or resulting from actions or conduct of a pet. If you have pets, we do recommend animal liability endorsements for this reason. Not because your pet might bite someone, but because you're helping your financial future and protecting yourself from the event that something happens and you're involved in a lawsuit. Even if your pet doesn't bite anyone, if someone trips over your pet or if they're injured in any way. We did have a claim in our agency a couple years back where a dog got out of the home, ran to the sidewalk. He scared a lady that was walking down the sidewalk, walking her own dog, causing her to trip and break her wrist. She sued them. The animal liability endorsement coverage provides protection if you need that in the event that something like that happens. I think that as a society, we immediately think, I don't need this coverage because my bird, my dog, my cat, whatever it might be, doesn't bite. But it's more than a bite that could cause a lawsuit. So no matter where you have your insurance, if you have a pet, we encourage you to make sure that animal liability is part of your insurance policy. We are South Shore Insurance Professionals, a local independent insurance agency in the Tampa, Florida area, and we are protection you can trust. I'm the Florida Insurance Chick. This has been your Monday Morning Minute, and we look forward to seeing you next week to learn a little bit more about little snippets of insurance each and every week. If there's something that you'd like to see more of, please let me know in the comments below, and we'll make sure that we do a Monday Morning Minute about that. Thanks, and have a great week.